Let's see how easy it is to create a skill with Copilot Cowork. In these scenarios, we are creating a skill to let Copilot pick up when we need the company template to create PowerPoint presentation. Before starting to draft the skills, Copilot is asking us more context. Which type of template, a PowerPoint or a Word file, how it would be triggered, these skills. In these cases, we are saying we would like just to mention explicit phrases, and where is the company template asset library located. In our case, it is on a SharePoint site, so we just link the repository for this where Copilot will find every time the company template. So after we have given all the context, Copilot Cowork will be able to create for us the skills, to save it, and to recall when needed through a simple natural phrases as a trigger phrase. Here we are with the MD file, with the guardrails, extraction, and everything needed to create the skills. After, Copilot will give us feedback about the quality of the skills. So, not only it will be useful, but it will be easy to pick up it? Yes.